So I want to prove a statement. What does it mean to prove? And I want to be able to bound the amount of information that's released in an interaction.
Zero-knowledge proofs are something that we at academia have been working on for many years, decades.
It's both a pleasure and surprise to see that something as cool as zero knowledge is finally getting some traction in the real world, and I hope to see much more of that.
If we succeed, people will be able to prove things about their data, but without having to share that data. And this is a whole revolution to how private information is managed.
So if we have standards that exist to help guide more of the work in zero-knowledge proofs, we'll be able to have a more efficient and hopefully fruitful research into ZKProofs in the future.
And really this concept really provided the basis for protocols for collaboration between distrustful parties.
The things we want to achieve is some norms for what you should specify in a zero-knowledge proof.
In between the two, there's the task of implementing those schemes so that they can actually be used in the real world.
So we want this document to be kind of like a starting point for practitioners, maybe to look at it as an example for the different use cases that exist and how potentially we can build them.
And the motto is really that we trust but check. So that we want to do proofs and we want to do zero-knowledge proofs. Thank you.
This has a couple of, let's say, advantages. One of them is GDPR, so your data is not everywhere now.
As such, I should have different identifiers if I want to respect privacy. I want to make sure I don't have leakage across domains.
Basically, it's a platform that you can use to build different kinds of trust networks for the exchange of verifiable claims and proofs.
But there's a solution involving zero-knowledge proofs, which we all like. Those are our favorite solutions.
The protocol for private payments using zero-knowledge proofs.
Instead of showing a credential, rather prove in zero-knowledge that you have a credential with certain attributes.
And we look at zero-knowledge proof essentially as an auditing technology.